Guys, we're here with Bella Schnoodle, and we're going to make a video on a bird trap. Pretty simple. As you can see, we've already kind of done it.
Oh, not really.
Not really, we're kind of...
just put that one loop through. We still have to put another loop there, attach it to that one, and then attach the pulley up to that branch over there, and then we have to decorate it with leaves and twigs and such, and then put bird crumbs, so there are crumbs, red things, that we can trap birds. So,
and I think Bella left. It's being a little boring. And so we're just gonna set up the trap and we'll see where that goes, okay? Hi guys, we're just walking to get a ladder because we're almost done with the trap, but we have to put the pulley up on the tree. So that's what we're doing now.
Gotta watch the cars.
Yeah.
Don't want to
We're
get
right
run
on the
over
highway.
before we're done for video.
And yeah, we'll get back to you when we get the ladder.
And I am trying to tie the pulley, like, yeah. This is dangerous. Yeah, you spoke my words, Stick. You spoke my words. Dangerous disease.
Well, he's trying to tie the pulley together so it doesn't...
Yeah, but so, wait. Okay. So, we are going to need another person.
So we'll just tie the pulley off screen, and then we'll come back to you when it's tied. Okay?
So currently we are sewing this stuff together, the rope, and yeah, it's going pretty well. We found out that our original plan was invalid, so we had to go with a different plan that involves sewing the rope with the towel and such. So see it when it's done. And here we have the star of the first 3 videos. Bella Schnoodle. Or at least that's what we call it here. Here's a schnoodle, half schnauzer, half poodle, and her name is Bella. Which is a good thing because we call it Bella Schnoodle. And she is a part of this project, kind of.
So guys, we did not finish the trap.
Yeah, there were some difficulties that we just couldn't fix. So
it was too complicated.
Yeah, we're going to upload some different videos, and we might do this one again someday, just with in mind that we lost this one. So
and we thought if we did it anymore, we would just be wasting our time because it's really complicated. And as you can see, it's really hot out here.
Yeah,
we're really sweating. And yeah, we just didn't want to waste our time on this when we could make other videos that are way easier. So, sorry guys. And make sure to comment down below in the comment section. Subscribe to Bella Schnoodle channel. And turn on post notifications and
like the video.
Peace.
But also comment what we should do next, because we want to know your point of view. Yeah, we want to know your thoughts. We want to know what you want us to do next. So just leave a comment in the comment section down below, and see you in another video.